Veranda.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yes, welcome back to her channel. Her channel or her channel?
It ain't even cold outside. Now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see those.
Welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. So it's day 12 of Vlogmas, and what do I have planned for today? I have the veranda to do today. I have some laundry to do today, and I also have the kitchen to organize today. So that's what's on for this day of Vlogmas. So let us get into this video. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and let's get into it. Right there. All right guys, so I finally finished washing. Well, me not done wash, some in a machine, but yeah, those are washed. It's charging on the thing in there, so you can take it up when you're ready. Ooh, that in by window galley.
Yes, Miss Harvey. I'm going to clean this window right now.
Window?
I got to.
She not meeting. Sorry, she not meeting. Okay, so now today we're tackling this place here. So let me all show y'all. So this is the veranda, right? But the grill right here, it needs to be wiped desperately, and I need to figure out a way to organize my mom's many flowers. So we got even on this side too, so I need to figure it out. So we're gonna see what can be done. And I really want to organize it without her, but she busy. So I am gonna move away these things, start wipe off the grill. I'm gonna need a chair, so I'm gonna need to go for a chair, wipe off the grill, and then we can move forward. Yeah.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know life, baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. edge of the moon. And I know.
Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. I swear I am tired. Oh, take out on me. This is it. This is just it. Because I want this door to be clear. So I didn't put anything there. So yeah. That is it. The grill is clean. So yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today welcome to day 13 of Vlogmas. Mom, what day is it? What day is it, Mom? What day?
Sunday.
Day.
The 13th.
Yay! So it's day 13th of Vlogmas. Yes! Let's see, I shall pull up my ear. Anyways, what do you have to say to the fans?
Well, welcome to the channel and hope you enjoy watching it.
Yay!
Have a blessed Christmas.
Woohoo! That's mommy, guys. That's mommy. Anyways, mommy, what we doing today? I'm kind of hungry now. I'm hungry.
I'm going to cook. Now.
I've been Miss Great Man. And it's mommy's fault.
It's not my.
It's her fault. You're a fair fault. Me hear her chicken them make nice.
Anywhere.
Me hear her chicken them make nice.
She did it.
Our chicken them fault. So it means a fair fault. Yeah. Yeah. Kiss. Alright guys, so we are in the kitchen now. This is what? One of the places that we haven't done yet. We have this place, the back veranda.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yes, welcome back to her channel. Her channel or her channel? Anyways, so
Our channel then.
it's our channel. So we're working in the kitchen right now, wiping down the cupboards, organizing.
Tell you a funny story. I wrote just
We can't say.
see under K.
Me say the road crack on my foot. The earth. The really earth. But anyways.
You would say I gave up way too soon.
Alright guys, this is the utensil drawer. It never so cute. So you can tell me for my good organization. She buy this and this. Yeah.
The idea good, not your sister.
Yeah. Yes, people. So that's one of the drawer. I still have the bottom one to do, but not much in there. This is very neat, you know, does neatness turn up and all. Then this it didn't need, you know, but then you see the thing when she buy, it was in it, but then again we needed it for the other things, so just switch it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I know, as I said yesterday, give it a drama. I see yesterday when I was supposed to edit, it come like say it never did go up yesterday. The song was supposed to go up yesterday. I sent the videos and they were about 5 or more of them were corrupt when I actually did it. But it's a good thing I never delete them. So I tried again this morning and guess what? They worked. So the footage you see at the front, yes, that's my day 12, and then the other one at the back at the day 13. It'll be there, but yes. Today's subscriber shout out, I have 4. Because guys, you're not commenting your motivational comments, so I need those guys. So today we're having 4 subscriber shout outs, and the first one goes to not Shashishan this time. The first one goes to my cousin Queen Nicolette. Guys can follow her on Instagram. I know she don't have a channel, but she has an Instagram, so you guys can follow her there. One of my student, Blessed Tracy Pinnock, scripted Poet. He also has a channel, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to him. And Khadisia Henry, thank you guys so much for subscribing, for commenting, and for just sharing with me on this channel. Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you would like a shout out next time, please go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to write your motivational comment of the day so you can be featured in my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.